Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the internet? Imagine a massive network that connects millions of computers all over the world. This network allows people to share information, communicate, and access resources from anywhere, anytime. The internet isn't a single machine or a place, it's a web of connections made up of countless devices, big and small. Every time you send an email, watch a video, or search for something online, your device is talking to others through this global network. The internet is made possible by physical cables, wireless signals, and powerful computers called servers, all working together to keep us connected. Now, let's see how your device actually gets online. When you connect your phone or computer to the internet, it usually happens through Wi-Fi or a cable. Your device first talks to a router, which acts like a traffic controller in your home or office. The router then connects to your internet service provider, or ISP, which is a company that gives you access to the wider internet. Think of the ISP as a gateway to the rest of the world. From there, your data travels through underground cables, fiber optics, or even satellites, hopping from one network to another until it reaches its destination. This whole process happens in the blink of an eye, making it possible to stream videos, play games, or chat with friends across the globe. Oh, how does information actually move across the internet? When you send a message or request a website, your data is broken into small pieces called packets. Each packet finds its own way through the network, traveling through different routes and passing through many computers called servers. These servers help direct the packets to where they need to go. Once all the packets arrive at their destination, they're reassembled into the original message or website you want. This system makes the internet fast and reliable even if some parts of the network are busy or not working. In short, the internet is like a digital postal service delivering your information quickly and efficiently.